Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing how to add a Threads link on Android. Threads is a messaging application that is available on both iOS and Android platforms. It is owned by Facebook and is designed to be used with Instagram. So, let's dive straight into the tutorial. First, open the Threads application on your smartphone. Once it's open, click on your profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the Edit Profile button. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can make changes to your profile information. Now, click on the link option to add your link. This will open up a text box where you can enter your desired link. You can add any link you want, such as your personal website, blog, or social media profile. Once you've added your link, simply press the check icon to save your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully added a Threads link on your Android device. Adding a link to your Threads profile is a great way to connect with your friends and followers. It allows them to easily access your other online platforms and stay connected with you. In conclusion, adding a Threads link on Android is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily add a link to your Threads profile and enhance your online presence. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.